Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about day trading, more specifically, how to make money gap trading. Let's define what gap trading is first. Gap trading is when a stock is gapping higher or lower at the open, typically as a result of a news-related event, whether it's earnings or something else. And what that does is it creates an opportunity, because nothing moves in a straight line forever. We know that. So it creates an opportunity if we can identify an area where that stock is likely to find support or resistance for a price reaction in the other direction. And that's what creates the opportunity known as the morning gap trading opportunity. So I teach a course at LazyGapTrader.com on how to figure out these price levels where stocks are likely to have a price reaction in the other direction. Also, I provide these price levels to members or subscribers to my service, and they get it each and every morning at 9 o'clock, a half an hour before the market opens. Let's take a look at the email that went out to subscribers this morning, and it was a little slow for a Monday morning, or it typically is slow on Monday morning, I should say. So basically, we had two potential gap trading opportunities, ERJ and BAK. The ERJ trade didn't hit its level, so it becomes a no trade. It just never got to the precise level we were willing to buy, which was $19.70. When you go over to BAK, you see I say gap lower, support levels are $15.50, and then I give a secondary level below that. Stop and profit target is about 15 to 22 cents. That's a minimum profit target. Let's go back over to BAK and look to see what happened. The $15.50 level you can see running across the bottom of the screen. That's the support level that was identified a half an hour before the market opened. And what you can also see is when the stock came into that level, traded down a few cents, and then it reversed higher. And the big question is, what is it that causes these stocks to come into the levels that I identify and that I also teach traders how to identify? What is it that causes the stocks to have a price reaction in the other direction? And that's exactly what I teach in my course. I teach you precisely how to calculate the price level where these stocks should have a reaction in the other direction. And it's a high probability scenario. It doesn't work 100% of the time. Nothing does. But it certainly works a lot of the time, and in this case, about 3/4 of the time, this works in your favor. If you want to learn how to do this, come over to check out LazyGapTrader.com. I'll teach you everything you need to know in order to trade the gaps. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come over to check it out, folks. Thanks for tuning in.